Here I have Xiaomi Mi 6 and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. First of all, let's start by holding a power key. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you have to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Mi logo pops up in front of you. And this is the main menu of recovery. Here you can scroll down by using volume keys, and you can confirm options by pressing power key. You can, for example, choose here a wipe data, and you can wipe all data so you can accomplish the hard reset operation. Let me go back. You may also connect your device with Mi Assistant. This is the Mi Assistant mode. Let me press power key to quit it. Keep holding power key for a long time. And the device is booting into the recovery mode one more time, and as you can see, the main menu just pops up. So if you would like to quit the recovery mode, simply choose the first option, which is reboot, and press power key to confirm it. Then let's choose reboot to system, and the device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be completed successfully. And that's it. Now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.